Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you one chapter from your literature book, Beehive, chapter 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind. The story of Truly Beautiful Mind is about biography of Albert Einstein. And Albert Einstein was born on 14th of March 1879. Means the story is totally about the life of the Albert Einstein from his childhood to adulthood. Okay. Now, all of you open your book and go through the paragraphs. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879. Okay. He was born in a city named Ulm in Germany. When he was a child, no one could predict, no one could think that Albert Einstein one day become so great. Okay, because he was also like the other children. But Albert mothers thought that Albert was a freak. Okay, because he did not behave, talk, or look like normal child. Okay, and he behaved abnormally. Sometimes it seemed as if he had a major intelligence and comparison of other children. Means his mother thought that Albert was not intelligent because he was not speaking, not talking. He started speaking very late. So this is, and also one more thing is that Albert Einstein head when he was a child was very big, very huge. Okay, in comparison to other children. So his mother also thought he may be some problems or other thing. And Albert started talking when he was half and 2 years, means 2.5 year. When he became 2.5 year, on that time he started speaking. Generally, the children started speaking at 1 year and 1.5 year, but he has taken 1 year more time. Okay, so that's why. Now, when he started to talk with others, he repeating the same words. Suppose when he say mother, to mother, mother, father, 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 sweets, 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 water, 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 means he always repeated the words. Okay. So from the very beginning, since his childhood, he loved mechanical toys and he likes to play with the mechanical toys. So when his mother gave a birth of a girl, means his sister, on that day Albert Einstein came to her and show her. He stretched her hands, means her sister hands, legs, and he became very happy and told that, oh mother, mother, where are the wheels? Actually he thought that the child is his sister is a mechanical toy, not his sister. So he asked from his mother, mother, where are the wheels? Because this toy has no wheels. So everyone became surprised. Okay. So one day, one more story of Albert Einstein I am telling you. When Albert Einstein was at the table and he was taking the soup. So he told the soup is too hot. To his mother and father became surprised. Hey, how you know? What have you told? This soup is too hot. Before you never told anything. So they become very happy that Albert have told something. So then they asked, then Albert told, why would I told always? Today the soup is too hot. That's why I told. Every day the soup is normal. Then no need to say anything. Okay. Now Albert Einstein went to a school. The headmaster of the school told Einstein father that Einstein would never be successful in whatever profession he chooses. Okay. Now Einstein started learning to play a violin, and he became very good violinist. and he started playing the violin at the age of 6. Okay, and he make it a hobby, and every day whenever he became free, he likes music and play the violin. Now Albert Einstein was a very good student. He went to a school in Munich. Munich is another place because his family moved from Ulm to Munich when he was 15 months old, and he scored good marks in every subject. The school where Einstein went, where he go, had a very strict discipline which is disliked by the Einstein. Due to that, he often clashed with his teacher's opinion and opposed them sometimes. Okay, because he didn't like all the strict rules. Einstein was so suffocated in that school, he could not follow the strict discipline, and so he left the school forever. Means one day he left the school forever. When Albert Einstein left the school, 1 year before that, his parents had moved to another city, Milan, which is in Italy. Albert Einstein was left behind in Munich with his relatives. Okay, and now after following everything, when he left, actually Einstein was a very good student in mathematics. Okay, he likes mathematics, and he was so good in mathematics that even teachers became surprised at how Einstein had solved this question. Okay, and they feel very bored when Einstein solved all the problems quickly, and even he solved in a very different manner that the teacher also didn't know. So that's why they also thought that Einstein will leave the schooling math teacher. Okay, and his favorite subjects are math and science, so he wants to study only in math and science. Okay, now when he reached to the University of Zurich, he met with a girl whose name was Mileva Maric. Okay, she came from Serbia to Switzerland because the university in Zurich was of the very few university in Europe which gave degrees to female students. Means on that time all the universities were not giving degree to the female students. So that's why she has to. Now Einstein felt that Mileva was a friend because he also liked art, literature, music. Both shared common interest and they both fall in love, and Einstein decided to get married with her. So Albert Einstein and Mileva, they exchange their letters, love letters, but they also write the letter in science. You thought that how they write the letters in science, but the reality is that they had written the love letter in science. Okay, what they have written? You go through the paragraphs, everything is there. It means they have written that one day they have written about the experiment of physics about the relativity, and actually that relativity is about their love. What that he would be very proud on that day when they would finally conclude their paper on the theory of relativity. That is their the love letters. Okay. Now in year 1900, Albert Einstein was 21 years of age and he has completed his graduation from the university, but was unemployed. From 1900 to 1902, he worked as a teaching assistant and gave private lessons also. Finally, in 1902, he got a job in Bern. Bern is a city in Germany. He got the job of a technical officer in a patent office in Bern. Okay. Now Einstein was supposed to check the inventions done by the other people and give them a patent. On the other hand, secretly, he was also making his own invention. Means here Einstein thought his drawer is also known as the drawer of invention. Okay, because he had every time write down various things and tried to make different invention. In the year 1905, Einstein published his first paper. It was about special theory of relativity, and in this publication it was written that measurement of time and distance is not absolute, it depends on something else. Okay, for that, if you want to know about the relativity, then you have to also consult with your science teacher. They can also explain better. Okay, no, according to the theory, if there are two clocks and both are moving, okay, they will not show the same time. One clock will move faster than the other. Okay, this is called theory of relativity, and he has written one theory, that is E equals mc square. This theory is given by the Einstein. Okay. Now, after solving all the problems of physics, he became very famous. Now he wants to. He had married with the Mileva. He wanted to marry, but there is a problem. His mother told that you can't marry with Mileva because Mileva is 2 years older than you. Okay, and both are intelligent, and no two intelligent person can live together. But after some time, he married with her. Okay. Now Albert Einstein, he married Mileva, married in the year 1903, and they had 2 sons. Okay. Now Mileva meanwhile was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming unhappy also, because she was also intelligent just like Einstein. So she also thought that I had to also do some experiments, do some invention, but she became the housewife. So that's why she always feel bored and she didn't like that life. So after some years, they have separated from each other in the year 1990, and they got divorced. Okay, at that time the Einstein married with another girl whose name was Elsa, and Elsa was his cousin. Okay, and now in the year 1915, he published one more paper which was based on general theory of relativity, which gave a new interpretation to the gravity. In the year 1919, there was a solar eclipse, which proved that Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity was correct. Okay. Now, Albert Einstein had calculated in the year 1950 that in the year 1990 there would be a solar eclipse, and due to it the apparent position of stars would change to some extent, and his calculation was accurate, 100% correct. From that he became the scientific genius. Now, in 1933, when the Germany came under the power of Nazis, and the Nazis, on that time the ruler of the Nazis were Adolf Hitler. At that time Einstein left Germany and he shifted to the USA. Okay. After 5 years, the Germans discovered the process of making nuclear fission, means atom bomb. On that time, Einstein written a letter to the President of America, USA, Roosevelt, Mr. Roosevelt, Franklin Roosevelt, that please stop this, otherwise it will destroy the whole city. It made a very great destruction to everyone, but the government has not heard the voice of the Einstein. On that time, Einstein became very sad, and he thought that one day I will want to establish the peace, but he didn't. And when after few years, the American made an atom bomb and they dropped in the two city of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Okay, means that Einstein had already warned them that this will make a very huge destruction. Okay, thank you all of you, and all of you go through the books, and whatever, if I have left anything, then you send me the comment, and then I will again send you the videos, and I will try to explain you. Thank you. Have a nice day.